This is Supriya from School of Computing, Bangalore campus. In today's hyper-connected world, we have lots and lots of data which is being generated by the devices around us. It could be IoT devices, sensors, smartphones, or smart environments. These data are getting stored in the cloud, which could be used later for processing and decision making. Cloud runs various AI algorithms for effective conclusion and effective decision making. The data is taken to the cloud for effective conclusion and decision making using AI algorithms. Between our device and the cloud, there are a lot of layers which involves edges, edge servers, routers, gateways, and switches. When the decision making is happening in the cloud, we call it as cloud computing, and when it happens in the intermediate layers, we call it as fog computing. But when the decision making and AI algorithms run in our own device, or when it runs in the device which is near us, we call it as edge computing. We are a team of faculty who are working on various research domains aligned towards edge, fog, and cloud layers. Our research focuses on resource provisioning algorithms using federated learning, blockchain, and software-defined networking. We have a team who are also working on secure communication of data between the IoT devices, and also on building a smart protocol using reinforcement learning. So this development will help us to make our infrastructure better and communication better. To simulate this edge computing, we have an Edge AI lab which is sponsored by Mylan Foundry, a well-known edge analytics company in Bangalore. This lab was inaugurated in Bangalore campus in January 2023, and our research focuses on building Edge AI applications and deploying it on the edge servers which is in our lab. We have various BTech teams who have completed projects on this edge device, on helmet detection, on number plate detection, and also priority-based scheduling for military surveillance. Imagine an edge intelligence system which is detecting the abnormalities in ECG or brain signals and trying to make a decision at a faster rate than the normal situation where the decision is taken in the cloud. So in such real-time applications, our Edge Lab helps us to simulate the scenario and test the algorithms for better latency and better efficiency. To conclude, with a strong focus on cutting-edge computing technologies, efficient resource provisioning algorithms, intelligent and secure communication, our research pushes us to focus more on what's possible on edge, fog, and cloud layers. As we explore new frontiers like quantum computing, we believe that our research will help us to build an efficient and secure distributed system for the future. Thank you.